Hi guys, welcome back. A customer gave me this small phone which its network cable got broken. So I firstly opened the whole phone to remove the inside part, the inside motherboard. Then I placed back the network cable that had been broken and used the soldering gun to hit it gently. When the heat saturates on the network cable, it forces the plastic to melt, which causes them to stick together. So I continue to hit the network cable such that every part sticks. After all the work is done, I placed back the motherboard and put it back into its enclosure, and now the work is done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can give me a like.